Vice President James David Vance addressed questions regarding the Trump administration's admission of mistakenly deporting a Salvadoran man with protected legal status to a megaprison in El Salvador. In response to a query from Jon Favreau, host of Pod Save America, Vance wrote on social media platform X, "It's inappropriate to focus on deported gang members while neglecting the citizens they harm." The administration's legal representatives acknowledged in a court document that Kilmar Abrigo Garcia was mistakenly sent to El Salvador. However, they argued that U.S. courts do not have the authority to mandate his return from the prison where he is currently held. Abrigo Garcia was deported from Maryland when the administration transported 3 plane loads of Salvadoran and Venezuelan migrants to El Salvador's terrorism confinement center on March 15, due to alleged gang affiliations. Lawyers representing several deported Venezuelan migrants have pointed out that the administration has wrongly identified some of these individuals as gang members based on their tattoos. Despite this, officials maintain that those sent to the prison are among the most dangerous individuals. Tattoos flagged as gang-related include images like a crown or the famous Jumpman logo associated with NBA legend Michael Jordan, rather than just symbols linked to prominent gangs in El Salvador or Venezuela. The administration insists these tattoos signify gang affiliations. In his response to Favreau, who was an aide to former President Barack Obama, Vance stated, "You apparently didn't read he was a convicted MS-13 gang member with no legal right to be here," referencing the court document. He further commented that it is inappropriate to focus on deported gang members while neglecting the citizens they harm. The court document reveals that Abrigo Garcia was denied bond in 2019, following an informant's claim that he was an MS-13 member, but he has not been convicted. Records also show that Abrigo Garcia arrived in the U.S. in 2011 at the age of 16, fleeing gang threats in El Salvador. 8 years later, a judge granted him a form of protected status known as withholding of removal, after determining he would likely be targeted by Salvadoran gangs if deported. Fox News Digital has contacted the White House for comments.